Let's try this for the third time. Anyways, this is part 42 of the bike build. I did all the gauges. I did that off camera, but I'll show you what I done. Let me turn the camera around. As you can see, I got the gauges in. See that? And it's probably another two parts to it, but then it'll be done. I'm hoping to get it done before next week, so I gotta mail it out to Brooklyn. But you can see the hoses and everything too. See the hoses? But anyways, that's it for now. Don't forget, become a member. If you become a member, you'll be in a free giveaway, and I'll ship it anywhere, no matter where it is. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye for now.